Hey class, it's time for another edition of Dave Does Math, but this time I'm going to say Dave tries to do math, he thinks he did it right. We'll find out. So, this is how you determine if a slope is negative or positive, or undefined, or zero. After graphing, you read the line from left to right. So, this here is going down, negative. This here is going up, which makes it positive. If it's horizontal, then it's zero. If it's north and south or vertical, it is undefined. Now, how to graph a line when given a linear equation. The equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12. If you let x equal 0, then it leaves you with 3y equals 12. Then you divide both sides by 3, and you're left with y equals 4. So the first set is x representing the 0. The 0 representing the x, because you let x be 0. And then the 4 is y, which is what you got when you divided. Then you go back to the original equation, which once again is 12x plus 3y equals 12 to find the other coordinates. This time you let y equals 0, and you are left with 2x equals 12. Then you divide both sides by 2, and you are left with x equals 6. And the coordinates are 6 and 0. With the 6 representing the x, which is what you got after you divided by the 2, and the y is represented by 0, which is what we determined y would be on our own. And then you graph it by going up 4 on the y-axis, and then across 6 on the x-axis. And then you just put a dot at each location, and then a line, and this one is going to be negative. So once again, the dot right here represents the 6, and since the coordinate for y is 0, it's going to be on the line, and the same thing can be said for this dot. The coordinates are x equals 0, so it has to be on the line, and y equals 4, you go 4 spots, and then you connect the dots. There you go.